Hey there tubers, it's me AMR and welcome to another one of my unboxing video. It's a bit of a strange unboxing video, nothing interesting, but I thought you guys might like it. It's a brand new printer, it's called HP Envy 5032, that's 5032. It was on sale, £35 in PC World and Currys, and my old printer just broke down, and so I thought let's get this one. So let's get right to it. Let's open it up. This time I've got a blade with me. And even with the blade I'm struggling. Right, here we go. Thank God I can see two ink cartridges. Here we go. That's what you see at the start. And you have here the one, I don't know if it doesn't say on it. Not for resale, set up, 3 cartridge made in Malaysia, blah blah blah. That's one of the cartridge. I don't know which one's colour and which one's black. They both seem the same. Apparently, according to the guy from the shop, these are going to be partially filled. Stupid idiots. I don't know why they're saving money and all. These are going to be partially filled, but whatever. Here's the instruction manual, which I will be looking at later. Here is some kind of free printing plan. You pay something a month and they ship the inks to you. And here is just some instructions. Let me have a quick look. You can download an app for this. It's a wireless printer. Only got one wire, which is the power wire. And the rest is in about 10-20 different languages. Nothing too interesting there. Right then. So what do we have here? We have here, let me just open this very gently. Basically a socket for any other country but the UK. I guess the UK is the only one that's got the 4 plugged mount thing, whatever you call it, plug. And here is the one that we need, is the UK one. It's pretty good of them that they included both of them in case you get them from a different country or something. Just this bit of cardboard that was holding the printer. Now is the main event. Oh my god, it's put in here in such an awkward way. Oh my god, breaking up the polystyrene here. Maybe if I going out this way. Nope, it is not going to get out this way. You know what, let me just pause the video. I'm going to need help with this, so I'll be back with you. Right then tubers, we are back. And here's the thing. Here's basically what's come out of the box. Here's even more instruction manual. This is basically how to put the paper in this printer. I was messing around with it inside the store, so I know what's coming up. Don't need to read that. Here's some awesome bubble wrap. I'm gonna have some good time with this later on. Real nice. Right, now let's remove this. Put it to the side. Put it to the side. Man, I absolutely love the way how it's packed. It's like, you know, I love feeling on new things, man. Check that bag out. This is a flipping brand new bag. Can take that with shopping with me. Well, you know what I mean. These days in the UK, our bags cost 5p each. So I can get my whole shopping in this bag. Here is the printer, guys. And it's a scanner. It's all in one. It's this faxer, scanner and everything. It's even got this. Protective here. What's this? Oh, alright. I guess I'll just keep that there because I am just literally a nerd when this comes to brand new things. That's where it's gonna basically scan. It's a double-sided printer, by the way. It prints underneath the printer as well, underneath the paper as well. What we have here is this is where you put the paper. Let me just get the tape off. The paper goes in here. Oh my god, I'm just gonna get this off back. There we go. Paper goes in here. It's a little tray. That's what I absolutely love about this printer. It's a little tray. Paper's gonna go inside there. It's gonna be nice and covered. It's nothing but the old printer. The paper used to go over here. I used to hate that. All the dust used to go in there as well. So the paper's gonna go in there. And then you can just check the tray, and then you just pop this out, and the printed work is going to come out of there. Absolutely genius, guys. Absolutely in love with it. So there's no point of me turning it on. But this is touchscreen. All this is touchscreen. It's gonna say photocopy, blah blah blah, and that's where you're gonna input your basically your key to connect to the wireless internet. And yeah, there you have it, guys. If you can have a little close up of the printer, you can have a look how it's like. It comes in two colors. I chose the white one because my room is mostly white and it'll suit it. And it's pretty cool. It's gonna suit my phone. Here's the back of the printer. As you can see, it's only got one wire in, which is the socket wire. Maybe it's got another one somewhere, which is hidden. I don't know. But so far, I can just see this. So this is the HP Envy printer for you guys. I'm gonna put a link in the description below if you would like to see any much more detail of this. And if you have any question, guys, please hit it down. Make sure you hit down in the comment section below. I will answer all of your questions, just like all of my other unboxing videos. I will even make videos of it if you're stuck on a certain thing. Like for example, how do you connect this to your internet? It's the simplest of things. It's gonna probably be on settings, wireless connectivity settings, and you put your code there and it's gonna work. And other than that, here's the HP Envy printer. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And thank you for watching AMR. Peace out.